Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So in the last video we learned about database in a very simple way. I'm making this video in a very simple way so that everyone can understand. I mean for mostly for the people who are coming from non-technical background. So better understanding, I'm making in the second video about relational databases, primary and the foreign key. So first thing of a database is a digital filing cabinet, and inside it you have tables. Okay, so these tables are like individual folders, and each one stores information about a specific topic. Okay, for example, if I take a subject like biology, then one table can store patient data, another one can store the test result, and the other one can store the samples details. Okay, so each row in a table is a single record, like one patient or one experiment, like this, right? And the columns, they represent the different attributes or details. For a patient table, you would have columns or things like patient ID, name, age, diagnosis, so on, right? And here's where the things are getting interesting. Like imagine you have three tables, one for patient, one for samples collected from these patients, and one for the test result of those samples. Okay, now how do these tables talk to each other? So that's where the relational database comes in. Like a relational database is like a network. It links the tables using something called keys. So the keys are of two types. One is primary key and the other one is the foreign key. So the primary key is a unique identifier for each row in a table. For example, the patient ID is a primary key in the patient table. It makes sure that every patient is unique. And a foreign key is a link between these two tables. Like it connects one table to another one. This relationship makes it super easy to connect data, and if you want to find out all the test results for a specific patient, then you can also do it with a simple query. So it becomes very easy. So now you might be wondering, like, are all databases relational? No, I mean there are non-relational databases as well. Like they are also called no SQL database, and they're a bit different. Like here, instead of using tables and rows, they store data in a more flexible way, like documents, key value pairs, or graphs. So they are great for handling large amount of unstructured data. So think of this way, like if a relational database is like a structured filing cabinet. A non-relational database is more like a messy but a super fast digital scrapbook. So both have the uses depending on the situation. So like relational database are perfect for the structured data like patient records or financial transactions. But if you're working with something like social media post or product recommendation, then non relational databases might be a better choice. So let's come back to the relational database, why they are so powerful. Like they are powerful for three main reasons. Like they help to keep your data consistent and accurate. They avoid the repeating data, that saves space and prevent any errors. And they let us to ask complex questions like show me all the patients who provided samples in the last month, and also with their test results. So that's why relational databases are everywhere, from banking system to hospital management to everything you can think of. So this is all about the database, relational databases, and the primary and the foreign key. Learn with Lena and stay happy and healthy.